From interior partitions to drywall, the interior of a steel building can be framed and finished out in the same way as a wooden structure. A base building package includes the primary and secondary framing as well as the exterior walls and roof. Once the building shell has been constructed, you gain a large empty space full of possibilities. You can finish the exterior walls with wood to give the interior a warmer finish, like this woodworker's shop, or you can choose to attach drywall to the wooden studs to create a professionally finished area as you see in the waiting area of this auto repair shop. Creating interior divisions is also no different than any traditional structure. Some steel building owners will frame a limited portion of the space to make, for example, an office area, while others choose to build out multiple rooms and even a second story, as you can see in this metal home. In fact, building a second story out of wood inside of the steel building is more economical than attaching a steel mezzanine. Doing so affords the owner all of the benefits of steel where it matters most. And as you can see with this church sanctuary, once the interior has been drywalled, adding finishes like carpet, electrical fixtures, and even high-end finishes featured in the entrance to this casino built inside of a metal building are all possibilities. As we've discovered, even when you frame the interior of your metal building with wood, you can still gain all of the advantages of steel where it counts, including safety. Now, let's explore why steel buildings are safer